pediatric medicine, podiatry medicine. All services, including checkups, medications, are for free. For more information, please call Pastor Kannan at 665 1091. Christ AG Church, Free Medical Mission, May 2025.
Ganyo waragamagayo quem bom bimanaga ibare quem bom bimanaga buyewo habur ganyo had lubasuno bom bimanaga ibare quem bom bimanaga buyewo habur ganyo had. Ganyo waragamagayo quem bom bimanaga ibare quem bom bimanaga bujeyo haburu ganyo hare lubasu no bom bimanaga ibare quem bom bimanaga bujeyo haburu ganyo hare. Kade banai gayo gunye akbuli banya baba nai bamai nabo aluga kata balalo ai jite jute kwanya ngaba
sagidi, yeah. Aye. 1 2 1 2 on the mic. Aye, no matter go. Balisina. Mergana. Buset na luneg Mabriga hon sung griga dangriga. Penny Punta Gorda. Baranga same bite Baranga Judge Strong Hopkins Uganda. Danga lige one with the low. Balisi Corozal. San Ignacio. Low soon Loba Balisi. Wageta le DYFA Wabagari radio station 91.7 FM Dangriga get loose soon ubo. No do hey. Good night. I want to say good night to all our radio listeners here locked in. Keep it locked on 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna radio station. The only Garifuna radio station in the world. I must say that. In Naroga, there's no other like this pushing Garifuna music, pushing Garifuna culture, pushing everything that we see, everything that we move. We will push it here on 91.7 FM. Believe that or not, ladies and gentlemen. Abaisene. This is all about love. All about love. So tonight we got some special. I know tonight we surprise you tonight. You know, we don't normally on this show we talk about issues. We give information. Now we should go fair who some Grigia to our Gagamoto. So that is what we do here on normally on Tuesday night. But the guys are taking off tonight. So but we do a special edition because Mother's Day is coming up, and then we got Mando in the house all the way from where we come from.
Honduras.
Into the Wayabi. Into the Wayabi in the Dohe. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, before I go chit-chatting, we must say you have to come out for Mother's Day action because I will be there. I hope you'll be there. Come out to Nadia Shed. This thing's going to be epic. And you know who's in the house alongside? On my left, to my distant left there, we got Sebot. He got something to say about this. Every time something different, Sebot must get himself involved, and that is a good thing. We love that. We love to push the culture. We love to push the artists. We love to push support for everybody that comes in this town. They got to check in, and Sebot is right there to receive them. Right? So, man, we go to Sebot first, then we go to look, because this thing is going to sell off. Is it a free or a paid event? Tell us a little bit about this event, Sebot.
Okay, it is a free event, but this event is an all-day event. It's
Okay.
not only in the night.
Okay.
I am sure my brethren Sam here will elaborate on that sometime later. But it starts with the cycling event that you will also be talking about. But in the night is when the Punta Rock ambassadors come alive.
All right.
The band that has performed in France.
Just go a little bit because a little bit closer to the mic, yes, but little bit make we get it, make it hear everything. We don't want to talk about with Magam with the Mutilira, Magam with Tura.
Oh, Nagambua, man.
Okay.
Yeah, so in the night we come alive with Uguro.
Why?
The band that was formed in 1991. The first group that graced a stage with Aurelio Martinez, the first Belizean group.
Those are the man of gods.
That's right.
Man of gods.
That's right. These guys have traveled to Europe, France. They've been in the region to Mexico, Honduras, Guatemala. But right now we have 5 headliners. We have Sela, Alan Baba Castillo, Migs, Raga, and now I'm losing track of my crew.
Punine, man, one of my favorites.
Punine, that's
come on,
right.
man. Come on, Sebot. Come on,
Yeah.
man.
So those are our 5 headliners. Baba is one of the most prolific songwriters in this country. His song Man the Dog is almost 30 years old right now. Baby Father, almost 30 years and still reigning. In between that presentation, we have the man of the over 30 years experience.
Why?
You're gonna say, oh, that's the guy that sing that song? Oh, that one too? So I was counting the other night. I reached somewhere between 50 odd or something songs that he either cover or writes. So there's a lot of songs. So we'll be giving you like pills, piece.
Tonically.
Yes. So
No.
that's the plan.
All right, stop talk, Sebot.
All right.
Stop talk, Sebot.
Because I could go on forever and a day.
Because we got more people. We have to
Okay.
talk from we got to hear from the man himself, or hear from some of his rep I want to thank somebody sponsor us. We gotta big him up. You
That's
know,
right.
I want to be the first one to say, "Good night, name no bravo." Buselo wagamo musu bumage. Lo bem musu kala wago ya wama logo Wolfrey ne ila le wengine na Garifuna sebot mothers Ugo show right Ugo show yeah well gonna tolo wengine we are to go DYFA man la daga mama so ada wagamo hamage wani go yetege and fume gati lige yenge wayabi o sumba listener yenge wayabi. So we want to say that, ladies and gentlemen, we all come from Honduras. Before that, St. Vincent, Rotan, Punta Gorda, Rotan, to the mainland, all the way. We got Tella, we got all of them villages there that we own. Those are our village. So we have a man of the soil next to us giving us so many oomph. Ain't get home, bro.
Good night to everybody. Hopefully, everybody's doing good. But it was planted, it was planned. We had a plan since January with Barbara, his wife.
With Bobby?
Also with Bobby Bird, yeah. Jorge Marin. So they told me to hold on to these dates because we were going to have something big here in Dangrega. So it's going to happen. It's going to happen. I invite everybody to come through on Sunday. Sunday, early, it starts since 9 o'clock in the morning.
From 9 in the
From
morning.
9 o'clock in the morning on. And don't forget that by the evening, the band, they're going to back me up. Uguru Band.
That's right.
Okay, Uguru Band with Mandawa Estero. So please come and you're going to hear all my songs that I have wrote through more than 30 years.
Well, I must say we gotta be honest about this, right? And this is why it's so important that our music been showcased, and this is why it's important on this radio station. We only play Garifuna music. We don't play no other music. Yeah.
Good.
Because you see, man, I'm tell you right now, I don't know your songs. To be honest, I play because we go through albums after albums after album. There's so much, and I concentrate a lot on the Belizean music, a lot. But I want to know more, and this is a very good avenue. It's a very good opportunity. Aurelio came on the scene. Somebody one that came earlier. You've been around for a while, yes, but your songs are positive. I listened to one and two. They're positive. They send a message, and this is what the young people need to, because right now a lot of the music that is being played is it's not really, up to par. It's not really up there like how it used to be. And when I listen to your songs, that's what you take your time. You have a message behind the lyrics, and that's what the young people need to know, that we do. You could inspire someone, and so I want them to come out to our event and listen, and give them what you got.
Exactly. I always send this message, to the young generations, and I will continue to do. Music is so sweet, messages, positive messages, and we see that we're losing that. So make sure, if you really love music, trying to write the songs that really people gonna like. That's another thing. Most of what Burhan, Logu Remo, Logu Wabagari, Logu Bagari, Logu Sune Logu Wadigan, Leda Wabagari, Logu Isiani.
Bandi Isini. Yeah. So we're glad you have in the studio tonight, and we want to continue to support you and support what you do. It's endless. Our music is endless, man. Right? And you are part of that. So we applaud you for doing an excellent job and keeping it up and passing it to the new generation. We want to go far to the far left to make it to people. We want to hear from the people that make it happen behind the scenes. That pushes this thing, that make this thing to a reality. Because, look, this catch a lot of people by surprise. But I know, like you said, it's been in planning. But we want to hear what's been going on, what's going on, who's behind this, who's pushing this. So to my far left, let's hear from you.
Pleasant good evening, Dangriga. Sorry, I'm not a Garifuna. They say Gio.
You're a girlfriend.
But
You're a girlfriend now?
no, I just got me green card the other day to be Garifuna, right? Got
But
my-
before we go there, I like that because then sometimes you take the opportunity to address it in front of whole people. Because right now we have a lot of people watching this show. You're not a Garifuna, but I want to tell Garifuna people, hey Nugi, right? We're it. You're a black man. And Garifuna, make I tell you something. We don't have no thing as such as Arawaks, no make nobody fool with Indian, Mama Muladu Nugi. Mama Arawaks Nugi. We are African. We're just and in Africa, we have thousands of tribes, same color, but we are Africans. We just happen to be Garifuna. All right. So I like you mentioned that we are African first, all the time, first and foremost.
Yeah. Once I want to say pleasant good evening again, and actually I'm glad to be back in Dangriga Town. I've been away for a while. Work kept me away. Presently, I am on pre-retirement leave, so I'm at home now. So I'm glad to be back to be doing some positive things in this town, man. I really miss it because we need to do positive things in this town, right? So with this event that's going on, I guess this is the first time we have one of these events. An international artist for free.
It
And
means a lot.
I have been saying this, even myself. I say, man, what's going on in this town? There's nothing going on. It is happening now. So people need to come out and support. And with what is happening, it couldn't have been done without sponsors. Without sponsors. If you listen to the advertisement on Love FM is one of the big sponsors. They have been pushing this show from the inception, right? So we want to go ahead and thank Love FM. And as we go along, people still coming in, right? So we want to thank Rice Bun Production.
Where's
That's Q45 from out of Washington.
all right? Rice Bun Production. I like that one. Different.
Then I must big up Miss Rosana Briseño from the Special Envoy
For women.
for Families and Children.
All right.
If you heard this morning, the female prize, first prize was $250. She contributed another $350 to make it equal with the men's prize. So let's
That's a big step, man.
applaud her.
Big
That's
step,
a-
big
that's a
step,
good
big
one,
step.
right?
Wait till there.
We got a call from Miss Gail Wade. She's gonna be giving a $50
From Belize
prize
City.
to the youngest female rider.
Is that teacher from Belize City? Gail Wade?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, Gail.
Sabot would know. So
Gail of our city, right? Say what? That's my cousin.
that's in that's
My
in
first
the-
cousin. You know I'm my first cousin, right?
That's in the remembrance
Yeah.
of her
Big up
father,
yourself.
right? And we have Mr. Rodel Castillo from Garifuna Flavor, Erica Antoinette, Tyrone Avila. Like I say, Love FM has been pushing this show. Easy Investment, Niche, Don Guzman Tortilla Factory, Barana Hotel,
Down the
Dr.
street.
Angela Flowers Jones. We have Mr. Kevin Zuniga, Mr. Raymond Lewis. We have all these people in the advertisement, right? So we want to really thank them. We appreciate that they support something like this. So it's a family event. So bring out the mothers, bring out the grandmothers, bring out the children. You know, come and enjoy this international artist along with your local Uguru band, right? So, man, you couldn't have something like this anywhere else for free. You know, everybody, oh, we want something to go in here. Hey, save your money for your little refreshment.
Well, I can't thank you guys enough for giving the people of Dangriga a treat. This is a treat, a Mother's Day treat, a children's treat. You know, it's for the young and for the old. You know, and this music is for the soul. You know, it keeps you up and going, keep you alive.
And if you know, Mr. Jorge Marin, my co-pilot, this is one of his artists.
All right.
So he's taking care of Mando.
Nice. So Mr. Marin doing an excellent job, man.
From Garifuna Entertainment. So we really want to thank him for helping us with Mando. And man, I didn't know that Mando was at that age. I thought he was like in my age, but he has been playing music a long time.
Wow.
Has been doing this thing for a long time, and so I want to congratulate him. Still going strong, and we need to support things like this.
Yeah, well, before we go though, right, we have more guests. We have 2 more guests coming in. I want to go to the Facebook page, and for all our viewers, she said, Anis Alma Gordon, she's online, and she said, I apologize that Ariel was not able to make it on the show. She is not feeling well. I think Ariel is a cyclist. All right, so she said good night. Margaret Mariano, Caroline Mariano, Florence Foreman, Ras Bailey, Violet Arnold, Yvonne Campbell, Jessica, Anthony Sabal, Kerry Gongara, Laura Perez, Alvira Smith, Juanita Baltazar, Eddie and the list Chica, the list goes on and on and on and on. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot call your name tonight. Can't call everybody's name because we have some more people, but once we get to it, we'll give you a big shout out. All I want you to do is to make your way out there, man, and see, and for your own self, it's free. Come out and support the bar, support the vendors, support Mando, because he's going to be out there rocking it. And who's the best band that could back him up here in Greeka? No one than the Google Row band. These guys been around all of that, man, no.
Side to side.
Side to side. Side to side.
Okay,
Chuloma.
Please come and we will have a good time.
Mando, what I will do now, I want you to say the final word for this segment and encourage the people about coming out on Sunday, all evening. Go ahead, Mando.
Yes, please come. We need your support, not just for Mando, for everybody, for Ugo Band, for the producers. Also, I want to thank you for this, man, and kind of tired because today we've been running around up and down, but please come on Sunday to the event. You know, Yimbi Huma. Good night.
Good night, everybody. And we're going to the second segment of the show, right? So, Mando, thanks for stopping by. Mr. Forget your last name,
Mr. Gladden, Sammy Gladden.
Mr. Gladden, Sammy.
Yeah.
Thank you very much,
run
man.
The ad again so that they could hear the sponsors, some of the sponsors.
Yes, we will do that. We will do that shortly. We'll do that in a bit, right through the system, so that people know. But I'll just close out this first segment with a little bit of finish up the track that was playing, and then we'll run the ad too, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, stand by for the second segment of the show.
Aha, agamba humaye besa numa nichi.
No, ladies and side to side, right?
Mando Ballesteros con Amigos Unidos. Cuando Oh Madenama, on Travesiana, on Sombahanama, Rio Tituna. Dime de putanito, dime de putanana. Chica pupanito, oga, chica pupai mama, oga, chica pupano mare, oga, chica pupai mama, oga, chica pupanito, chica pupai mama, oga, chica pupanito, oga, chica pupai mama, oga, chica pupanito.
I did tell her no. I did tell her no. Dr. Zab, that for you. Dr. Zab, that for me. Dr. Zab, that for all of it. What did I lay? What did I lay? Freaky style. The only place I want you, girl, right in my bed. And if you feeling hot and freaky, I will lick her. The gabu no money, yeah. Did I pick up on the man? What did I lay? What did I lay? Reckless Forest music, Hard Child Records. What did I lay? What did I lay? Freaky style. The only place I want you, girl, right in my bed. And if you feeling hot and freaky, I will lick her. The gabu no money, yeah. Did I pick up on the man? What did I lay? What did I lay? Another gule.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We are back on 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna radio station. I say good night, Miss Alma. Yes, good night, everybody. Good night, Randy Williams. Good night, Charlie Marr. Yes, good night, all our beautiful people out there in Facebook world. I want to say the What's Hype show it's postponed till next week, so I'm here filling in for these guys. So for all little things, the guys, I'm just feeling at a try, right? So don't get down for me. I just had to try for tonight, but I got to try because we got new things happening in this town. We just talked about this event coming on Sunday for Mother's Day. It's a treat. On top of that treat top of treat, right? We got this cool spot coming up, right? So I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be something special. I take a tour of that spot already, and I could give you no updates on it. It's clean. It feels good. The yard rake. Like they're at the beach, I could tell you right now. So it's a place to be. It's a place to be. They will have the schedule and stuff like that. So we want to hear from the people that runs this spot. They call it the Chill Spot Lodge. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be lit. Lit. That is the best word I could find right now. Okay, so I make you listen to our lead tunes right now. I want to tell you some more. Just keep it locked, all right? We're not going to no advertisement break tonight, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to listen to our lead tunes right now. I'll be right back. Let's go. Come along. Yes, Brown, let's start the way. Good night. Yes, good night. Good night. Good night.
Ibidetitu Ragutina ichwahani Aba ida gudo Yudagido Ibidetitu Ragutina ichwahani
Let's go. No more time for waste. Time is precious, so we're going to take time at this. And when you want to go spend some time, the chill spot, the lodge, you got to take. Now, tell us a little bit. To my left, self-introduction, because the people got to know, people know you. They will get to know you more, because right now, this is the spot. This is the highlight right now. Soft opening, hard opening. Tell us about this spot right now.
Yeah, good night, Belize. Good night, world. Well, actually, we just opened up this new joint, the chill spot. It's where the lodge is right now. That's lodge chapter 12. So we're there. They used to have different owners that run the spot before, but this time it much cleaner, it much fancier. It bring a different vibes. I mean, like literally after work, you could just come chill in your uniform, take a break, catch a break. Your man, they give you a problem, could chill at the spot. Your wife, they give you a problem, could chill at the spot. I mean, it just have a different vibes. We have a safe environment, cool environment, because we have a big backyard as well, where you could come and sit down and just vibe, you know. We have cold drinks as well, colder than Alaska, colder than anybody that believes.
Well, it has to be colder because it's the freshest. The freeze, they're still new. They're still fresh. They still have the little plastic pan there. So it has to be cool. If you're not cool, you'll take it back to courts. But I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, you have to. When I walk in, I say, wow, man, it's big, it's spacious stuff. When I got dance, you got enough room. You got enough room for speakers, the DJ system, even a big band could fit in there. Look, ladies and the way how they have renovated that place, you have to go and check it out yourself. All right, so check it out. So let's go to the Facebook viewers now. Salome Gutierrez, good night from PG. Wow. Tune in, keep it locked. I want to say to all these, the chair people running for the chairperson, chair lady, all these villages, man, run a clean campaign. Run a clean campaign. Remember, it's all about the community. And this is what Chill Spot is all about too. The Chill Spot is about the community. Serving the community when a Thursday. All right? Because you got to put something, you got to hydrate. If you don't hydrate, you are dead. you have to. All right, now.
Drink, you are dead. And if you drink,
you still are dead. You still are dead.
But the chill spot, I mean, like right now we open as we speak. The place open. We're ready. We already started to sell drinks. We have mixed drinks. We have fancy drinks for the females they like.
Why?
We have hard liquor for men. We have top shelf. We have a little lower shelf, but we have for every pocket, young and old, the chill spot. At first, when we start renovation, I had people come and say, like, you know what, who this place are cater for? If this place is going to cater for old people, or is it going to cater for
because
young
that's the way we was used to.
Yeah,
no one again you got a young crowd.
Yeah,
but
mentally,
yeah,
it was designed and set up for a senior crowd. But under the new management, we're catering for everybody. We're gonna. It depends on the music as well. So we're gonna play modern music, and we're gonna play old school music for the older heads, and we're gonna play modern music. But we're not gonna play music whereby your obscenity and F this and skin out that, and you know. So we're gonna play at a level playing field where the young and old could enjoy the night and have a good time. This is
what I'm saying. You when you're in tune to your community, you cater to your community. you're in tune. It seems like you guys are in tune with the community, catering to the young, catering for all ages, and this is what cool spot is all about. It's cooling out. It's not a place to go act out. I mean, it's to cool out. If you're acting out there, you go over there, go cool out. You go sit down by the beach, because they have a beach in the back, ladies, and you could really spread a towel out there. I've been out there. I feel at home. It feels safe. I feel like a very safe environment.
Yes, and that's what we're providing. We're going to have police at every event. Every time we have an event, we're going to have police security. Also, we're going to have karaoke's. We're going to have ladies' night. We'll have golden oldies night.
Wow. Wow.
So you could call souls the night away.
But long time we don't hear about these things are, why would we get rid of that thing anyway in the first place? Those things was like, I mean, love, man.
Yeah.
It's
So
about
we
love.
bring back the love.
Yeah, we bring it back.
the love.
We really
And
like that.
also we have bingo as well.
Yeah.
We have bingo. We have big projectors, so we are at the karaoke and big. We might even have karaoke. So you can't be a professional and you can't be a singer, but you are winning a prize at entertainment. We want people to have a good night. Right?
It's a safe, peaceful night. Safe, peaceful night. Man, I'm looking forward to that. Very looking forward to that. It's different, it cater to like whatever, because then it could be cozy. You got space to roam around, have a nice conversation. If the music too loud for you, you could go outside in your little corner and hold a little vibe. This type of entertainment, you say, Greg, I don't got nothing now, things to come into Greg. One, I mean, tell you no, one things to come in. One cocoa full of basket. And the same way this lad is coming to tell you, look, chill out, man. Come on, you could, you go pass through to, get only soft drink, pass through, get only juice, you get $1 water, 150 water, just to cool out. It's about chilling.
And if you come from out the street, just stop in, take a little drink, get a little food, chill at the back, enjoy the view, enjoy the culture vibes,
And guess what? You're close to the bus station right there. Bus station right down the street. If you feel, look, if you're a Lucky Star, pick up on yourself because of my people little. If you lose a 2-3 million hours, you know what I mean? Go spend a $20-$30 across the spot and you're good.
Yeah.
It's all about escaping the madness.
Yeah.
Escaping the madness and go and feel the goodness.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about, man. And I encourage people to go out there.
Yeah, so just look out for it this week. We'll have everything more planned, organized. We'll have a Facebook page. We'll start advertise every event. We'll start advertising drinks. We'll start advertise like for next week. We'll start the karaoke. We should have something like Cultural Sunday. Just that it's not going to name Cultural Sunday because I'm assuming somebody already start that or took that name. But it's gonna be something whereby we're gonna have.
I might call it Culture Sunday, man. Because anyway, agree. If I want to have a Culture Sunday in front of my spot right now, you go have a Culture Sunday because guess what? You're in Culture Capital. So anyway, you could stack up. There's no such thing as okay. You got this. Everybody, it's for sharing. It's all in camaraderie. You know what I mean? It's not patenting. We're not patenting nothing here. Because when you start patenting, you cause problems. So it's the opposite. So we don't patent anything here right there. So if you go have culture, that is what we promote, culture.
So like you have reggae Sundays, we have a Culture Sunday.
Have to.
So it would be like for example, we're collaborating with Reckless. So he's gonna take over the Culture Sunday, and it's gonna be like every 2 times for the month. So 15th and ending, just remember after beach, get ready, come out at the chill spot because the night one done there.
Wow. All right. Well, man, it seemed like we've been here for a while, but we're having fun. Time just fly.
Yeah. 15 minutes up already.
I gone long time. 15 minutes gone just like that. It's
I
about.
I feel like I have more to say.
Well, like we say, I pop in and pop out. So.
Our sets, the last thing I'll say, I mean, we're open tonight, guys. We've been waiting for like 2 weeks to open. We had some setbacks, but we're open right now. Pull up that spot, check out the spot. No go to nowhere else, no go to game shop, no go up the street, go hang out at China, go drink that food spot and catch a vibe and chill.
How the drinks? How when it comes to I go to like the regular beers, and how are you guys selling those?
With the sell, for example, with the sell the mine beer at $3.50 and the regular beer at $5. Then we start do bucket drinks. So you get 6 beer. We give you a special price at once.
And this is what any happy hour? Or?
No, this is the regular. This is a regular. When it comes to like female nights, then we have like wine. We have the like something like a keg mixed with the female drinks with strawberry and different things. So you and your female friends could come and sit down and pour your own individual
Drinks, nice,
and
nice.
put your own strawberry or your own cherry in your drink and just feel like a queen.
Why? Talk this place, This place I got a lot for offer.
Yeah, with the alpha a lot. It's just you just have to come out. It's just too much to me.
Alright, you have a long day's work. A lot of work the car center now. You come in, when the bus come in, tell the bus no circle it,
Yeah.
Kind of bus like drop on home. No stop in front of the chill spot and get something to drink.
Yeah,
Alright?
definitely.
So yes man, thanks for stopping by. We have more guests coming in, and I like this again, people. I don't normally come on a Thursday. It's always Tuesday, me and Charlie Mar. But we're just making this extra effort because it's something new in the town, and we need you to let you know what's happening. So the What's Hype show is the one that normally put out this information like this, but I'm just trying my best to help promote this thing because it is positive. We don't sell no guns or drugs. We're just having fun and getting a place to go and relax and chill. That's why I call it chill spot, right? Yeah. Any final thoughts before we go?
I just want thank everybody for their support. People pass every day and push and ask questions and motivate you. I also want to thank Bashi, Herman. He that I don't know if it's he that everything behind the scenes, all the backdrop, the bar, all the inside of the restroom, all the chairs you sit inside the place, all the hard work. Bashir and man, so I must have to say.
I have to big up Bashir then.
I have to big up Bashir.
Yeah,
Anybody who don't need somebody, come check out for weed spot, check out for weed bar. If you don't need something like that, we got a link. Bashir has deal it, and he has given up the best price. So I also have to thank Uncle Danny. He's the main man behind everything. I just the manager.
Yeah.
And thank everybody, and we enjoy yourself, and we just want that everybody come out and support. And we also want to thank you, DYFA, for inviting us to promote this new venture that we're doing here in Danville.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. It's positive. I will promote positivity all the time. All right, so thanks, ladies and gentlemen. We have a final guest coming up here in about 2 minutes, man. It's been a pleasure hearing from this from the cool spot. They're the new kid on the block, right? So. We'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, let's go to some ads. We can't forget.
Christ, look how the yard look. I had a told sleep about clean this yard, and now I afraid to go back there because God knows what about there.
Chula girl, not to raise your pressure with their hard-headed picnic, Just call Grigor Yard Cleaning Service and they will take care of your yard fantabulously. Call Stephen and Francella Lowry at 602-4856 and you are in a good hands and a reasonable notice.
You're right, Make a call there.
Grigor Yard Cleaning Services. We do jobs professionally, innovatively, and efficiently.
Easy Delivery, a total solution for Belizeans who want the finest in delivery services. It's now easier than ever to deliver your packages from office to office countrywide. This holiday season, enjoy our newest office to office delivery service for as low as $9. Get your packages delivered from one office or branch to another safe and professionally. Contact us at 672-0399 for fast and reliable delivery services. Rated 5 stars by satisfied customers countrywide. Easy Delivery. We continue to innovate and keep working hard at making your life easy.
A poorly maintained car engine can age faster. That's why our engineers formulated Total Quartz engine oil with age-resistant technology, a breakthrough innovation that ensures optimal performance and improves protection against mechanical wear by up to 74%. Choosing Total Quartz is choosing the engine oil that keeps your engine younger for longer. Distributed exclusively by Westrack Limited. Compared to industry limits on ASEA engine wear test.
Quality poultry, this a food chicken. Quality poultry, this a food chicken. Quality poultry, everybody finger licking. Quality poultry, the leading poultry provider in Belize. After 47 years with the best with ease. We got a store everywhere you go, Corozal to Peachy and San Pedro. We products always fresh, everybody know we got the cleanest. So if you wanna eat healthy chicken and you don't wanna spend plenty, just come that way, this stuff we do with chicken. And if you wanna sit and eat, we got the restaurants, Chicken Express. Astonish you go, then we got PG, Corozal, Belmopan, and Belize City. Quality poultry, this a food chicken. Quality poultry, everybody finger licking. Quality poultry, the leading poultry provider in Belize. Quality poultry, quality poultry.
DYFA Garifuna radio station. Ya Bagabe Haremu Garino.
Make we touch down part Harkins. If you're a my man, you have to drink Jungle Vibes Rum Bitters. That not only nourish your body, you know. That Jungle Vibes Rum Bitters also give you stamina. Conchibo, aniseed, fine Belize rum, and some other ingredients mixed up together. You best believe everything what they up. And we was shake the place.
Look at the ground shaking, all over town shaking. It's really ground shaking. Tell them it's in by the ground. Stand, follow the big shot, it's a big band. We going right down till the last jump. Look everybody, tell everybody. Start to shake the place.
For more information, call 613-7711 and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. We're live. Keeping it live, keeping it locked on 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna radio station here in beautiful culture capital Griga. Alongside now the final segment, the sweetest segment, we saved the best for last. Griga Cycling Club here alongside Moz. He's a promoter, he's an influencer, he's also used to be a rider. He's a fisherman, he's a worker, he's a farmer, he's an all-arounder. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, he's all in positivity, he's all in promotion, this cycling. He had to be a part of it, even if it's a small portion of it to push this thing. Because, you know, this is the first time we have these guys in studios. It's been a long while. We expect them on the Monday night show with Uncle Paki, but hey, we're here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. We're here tonight, and then Mother's Day, we have treats for you. These young boys going to be showing themselves off on the road, on their road bike. Look, no self-introduction to the DYFA family was big up yourself, Griga Cycling Club, big up yourself. I know Bojo must be the cut here right now and they watch the show at the same time. Oh, so do some DJ. So he has abandoned ship tonight.
Not really, you have a presentation.
Well, that was quick. I tell her, well, we know we're gonna be. This is the first one that we're gonna be all the way back and forth. We're gonna the whole race. We make a commitment already. This is gonna be the first time we will show everything with this race because behind the screen we have withdrawn now, so we will catch everything We have withdrawn now. We'll wait for that long time. And we will be announced it pedal by pedal, stroke by stroke. You know, if you drop off your bike, no worry. Pick up yourself and let's go again, because then this is serious business. But in commemoration for the female, which is the Mother's Month, what a perfect timing for this type of event.
You know, we got manners, Chief DYFA. I say good night to listeners, radio, TV listeners, supporters of DYFA, and again supporters cycling in a whole. I see myself as a family of cycling. You know, anyway cycling there, I want to be a part of it. So that's my purpose here, to be a part of this. And I love the introduction.
Get closer to the mic, because it is. I have to, but it's true, you know.
You know, the thing is, one quick thing I got.
Yeah.
You know, somebody comments with some fish.
Hold on, just hold it. Go close the mic. Kind of people want to hear you. Hold it closer.
Yeah. Somebody commented for some fish, and 50 pound of fish at Hopkins, right? So the guy, he said, look for your hand. He said, oh, hand, you're not a fisherman. You buy fish and sell. I tell her, no, man, I do fishing, I do lobster, I do fish, and me personally do it along with my team, no? So, I just want to promote that too, that I always have fish. Clean, not clean, whatever you want, I got fish. But it's not about fish right now, it's about cycling, no?
Well, have a put in that fish in there, man, because everybody wants to feel fishy, you know, and it's also so good calcium, you know, and who you know your product, you know, you could tell them if it's fresh. You go tell them if you have it in the freezer for 10 days.
I can't bear having fish in a freezer for more than 3-4 days. Anytime that 3 days come, I start to get nervous. I want to sell them and get them off. So these are fresh fish.
I think we're time for the fish timing no more.
Cycling, then?
Cycling, we're going straight to the fish.
All right, well, the cycling. So this is the annual Nadir Mother's Day cycling race. You know, the organizers, the people who put this together in particular, they love mothers so much that they have Mother's Day race, and nothing for fathers, but you know, that's our next debate. But Nadir Mother's Day cycling race to be held Sunday, 11th May. It starts 9 o'clock. You have different categories of race. But without this bigger team, this race not may happen, because the guys like Nadir, guys like Bojo, and this Bojo team. So I just want to make them guys be a part of this. I don't know if they could just at least introduce themselves, because
yes, we have to hear from them. I know their family and their friends are listening. They're sharing this live. They have to share their life, because I know they're not going to school tomorrow. That way they want to hear. That's me want to hear the word strike, and they're not going to school tomorrow. But I would wish and hope and pray that when they get on the bike tomorrow morning, that's the way I would have wish and pray. Right? So you're right. Let's hear from these guys from Griga Cycling Club to introduce themselves, you know, and why they decided to join this club, why riding, why cycling, some of the things that we enjoy doing besides cycling. But right now we focus on that. Let's hear from the Catman himself.
Good night, everyone. My name is William. I ride for Griga Cycling.
Hold on. I'm not catch your name then.
William.
Yeah.
We know we got a cat in the room, so I don't know. William. We kind of name that way. All right, let's go, William then.
Yes. Why I chose
just hold the mic closer. Yeah.
Why I chose to ride for do cycling because I love the sport. Every day I say my friend me the ride, so I text my uncle and I tell my uncle, so I want to join the team.
Yeah.
So if you could talk to Mr. Champ.
Yeah.
So next day
So put the mic close.
I call for a school and my uncle say I can't go to Mr. Champ, and Mr. Champ got a bike ready for me, and I'm happy.
Boy, the man supportive, and you know, thank God you're making stride, because I think you guys were participating in the junior cross country, right? The other day. Yes, that's a big move. I'm still young. Good encouragement. Keep it up. Who we got next? Mr. Williams? Two William?
No,
or Williams?
No. My name is Demi Williams.
That Williams, not Williams.
My name is Demi Williams. Good night. Good night, Mr. Ada. Good night, Mr. Moores. Thanks for having us. Definitely. I'm also a member of the Griga Cycling Club. I don't want to get into why I love and why I'm riding. I just pass it on to the other member.
Yeah, that is very humble. Now let's hear from Trenton.
Good night. My name is Trenton. Last year I'm 15 years old. Well, I get fair like this sport because I normally would see my mother watch the race. See my cousin Tarek motivate me, and he make I really get into the sport because I see he does ride bike. And then afterwards, I noticed I see my friend they start riding the bike, and I'm very interested. So I reach out to my friend, and he up to tell me that right then he got a bike. Let's go train. I could see it out.
Wow.
Great.
Wow. It's a big move.
Yeah.
I mean, big step. I hope it's hanging out because the man in the Shake Shaka this evening was so. Let's see how that Shaka will give out on Sunday.
Yeah, he the man say everything.
Watch Trenton, like why? That's good. The man to keep himself active.
Yeah, man.
That's the idea right there, Trent. Just keep it up because then there's a lot of negativity out there to do, and trouble easy to find.
Yeah, definitely.
Good things hard to find. Good things hard to find. Sometimes good things expensive. Sometimes good things will be frustrating, but bad things, whew, easy to find. So keep it up. If you could play some other sport or volleyball, play that too. Because then the things keep you motivated, keep you focused. All right. Well, you hear from the boys themselves, ladies and gentlemen. You guys ready for Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Song like they're ready for Sunday.
Definitely talk about the other members as well. We got Jason Godoy in the studios. We have Tamron Morris and Aiden Bosana, who is also partaking, and then we got a female, Ariel. Yes,
Ariel, man. Ariel is making the scenes. She bust out on the scenes out there already. I mean,
they said that they had another female. Who is the other female? Because you say have a
Ariane, sir. Ariane.
It's Ariane.
It's Ariane, yeah.
Santos.
Yes, that is good, man. I encourage the little girls to start riding,
Yeah.
Start from this. Once they get into it, once that thing, blood, then, I want to stop ride. But
before we go into the prizes, the route, and everything, I always say to youth the ride. I give them the road because the road is somewhat for the cyclists when they ride, and I watch them sometimes. But you guys went into the different. You guys did different races, right?
Yes, sir.
This Nadia race, this a Griga race, this a Mother's Day race. So I know that it would be a great thing if I could have win something for no matter. It would be a gift for she, the
Yes,
greatest thing. But only one could win, except some could win station prize and some could win prize first, second, third, fourth, fifth. In a cycling, you have people who work for each other. All right. Who anticipate will win this race? Who expect for work for win this race? Because in a cycling, work for each other. Sometimes I say, you know what? Why that Mr. Williams will win this race? We are work for him, make him win this race. Yeah. How do they anticipate this race going Sunday?
Yes, sir. So definitely going into the race, our coach always tell we to always feel out the race, feel out the riders and things like that. But the anticipated, members are Tamron Morris and Aiden Bosano. Yes, sir.
He may win the TV Ramos Classic for the juniors, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So look for he and Mr. Morris.
Yes, sir.
All right, who are on a sprinter, the best sprinter? You got any sprinter?
Sir, when we come to the sprinting, my guys, they lock up for the line, but we definitely got some strong guys and we are stick with the Tamron Morris and Aiden Bosano.
So even though some guys coming out, I believe City Kaya and so on, anticipate that Griga will bring this Mother's Day race.
Have to defend the turf, yes, sir.
Guys are not alone youth, one young guys.
So we're anticipating a riders from outside, a lot of riders from outside the district.
Man, the kind of prizes where we get into, the riders they will come for it. The riders them a comfort.
So
You know.
in this race, so they got different categories. So in this race,
Different categories. We could start with the elite. The elite are the, and I know they disregard on youth because they're very important, but they are the big guns. Then are the guys named.
The cross
When
guns?
you see when it's good for take time out for listen to this race because these are the same names where you are here for this cycling race for Nadir Mother's Day cycling race. It's the same names you'll hear in the cross country if you listen keenly. Some of the big names. Because of the big prizes, it's worth coming. So these guys are coming.
Yeah, well, we will be there, pedal by stroke, we'll be there. We'll make the sacrifice. Even if we only do this one, we will, and we'll see after this one is all said and done with. We'll see how we'll go on to the next one. But we have made a commitment to Grigga Cycling Club and Nadir that we will cover this race.
Wonderful.
We will try our best, to cover this race and commentate this race as well. Well, let's see how that goes, but we will make a sacrifice. Now, with that said, with the different categories you have some of the sponsors already for this race, or just
that's not my category when it comes to the sponsors. I am only assisting in this, so I don't really know who sponsor this race.
Okay, but let's go over the prizes then. Let's go over the prizes.
The prizes for the elite. First prize, now a big $600, not only 600 hard figure, it's a big $600. The second prize are $400. The third prize is $250. The fourth prize is $150, and fifth prize, you got all up to fifth, so even if you not come in first, you could come in fifth.
Yeah.
The fifth prize is $100. That's for the elite club.
You could buy a tube out of that.
You could buy a tube, you could go to restaurant, you see them guys when they promote the bar, you could go right there and drink something there.
Yeah.
You understand? So there's a lot that you could do with it. You could service your bike, and it's very expensive to service one of these bikes.
Yes,
very expensive. So yeah, and then you have the club. The club, the first prize for the club.
No, what do you mean by the club? Now you mean the club like the cycling clubs, or the cycling club like
the club is referred to
like
as
G-Flow and anyone there?
No, it's the you have different clubs in Belize City in particular, but you have people from across the country who are registered with these clubs. I'll just give a name like Weekend Warriors. That's a club. Then you have Guns. That's another club.
Okay, so
but instead of we put Weekend Warriors and then Guns Club, we just call them club. It's easier.
All right, club. So what representative for the club will come in first?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. I got
they
you.
will be riding together. The two clubs. Now, like for TV Ramos Classic, we would put Guns, Weekend Warriors.
All right.
But it's preferred that we use the word club for this one.
All right.
So it's just a combination of these guys who have different clubs. All right. So for the club, the first prize is a big $300. Second prize is $200. Third prize is $100. Fourth prize is $75, and fifth prize is $50.
Everybody get something.
Everybody could get something.
Everybody belongs to our club.
Yeah, yeah. And then for the juniors, which you guys will be riding, Grigga Club will be riding the juniors. Trenton, he doesn't have the age for juniors, but I think he's considered youth. But he'll be riding with the juniors, right? So juniors, first prize is $325. The second prize is $200. Third prize is $100. Fourth prize is $75, and fifth prize is $50. So if Ono Grigga Club or Grigga team gets first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, you guys have over $700 for your club, and that's a lot of money, So, yeah, and then we have the female. Most important, the female, because everybody is important when it comes to cycling, but it's Mother's Day coming up.
So the female first prize was $250. I don't want to get jealous youths, but while lady called in this morning and she pledged and said they put $350 more on top of this $250. So for the female, instead of $250, it's $600, a big $600.
For the first place.
First place. First time there's such a big prize for a race in Dangriga for female. First time.
Nice,
So,
nice.
you know.
And it's the females running in all categories.
The females have
Or the one
different categories. This, it seems like it's only one category. All right? One category.
I will better get her to get better and win this race, huh?
Oh, I will go get better, man. She'll be better. You know,
Sure.
she is taking her rest, she's taking her meds and everything, so she'll be okay.
And then she could take one of these plumbing loving right there.
Medicine.
Medicine.
Yeah. Yeah, and second prize for the female is $150. Third prize is $100. Fourth is $75, and fifth prize is $50. All right.
Again, everybody get something because typically, you know what, you don't have a lot of female to ride.
But for this, you would be surprised because this is a big prize, man. $600. This worth coming. I mean, if two owner get in a one truck or four owner in a one truck family.
Because anyway, if I just country or not, people will sell us to get time, I guess.
Yeah.
Even if you come for a PG, you have to sell like $60.
No, 100. That's expensive.
For come $6.
Oh, for come and then go back. Yeah.
come.
All right. So you still have extras. You put it at 150. You still have 450.
Yeah.
So
450.
yeah, that a big price. Now the thing is that we have different route for different categories, as usual, because you can normally you not put the youths or the juniors along with the elite. All right, and I want to make mention that all of these races will be officiated separately. All of the categories will have their own official. They got why I said that because sometimes you don't have enough officials, so you might put juniors and females together. No, everybody will have every category will have their own officiating, their own officials.
That's an investment. That
Yeah,
is crazy, man.
yeah. So the route for this, the elite, they went for another shed. Important for another shed.
All right.
Yeah, to Placentia Junction.
Right.
That's the elite. All right. The juniors and clubs, they go from Nadia Shed to Maya Center and back. It's an only go, you know. You are return back to Nadia Shed. For the females, it's from Nadia Sheds to Hopkins Junction and back.
Why?
All right? And then, like I always say, a race is not completed without station prizes, so we have a lot of station prizes going and coming back.
Why
All right?
they get long before them boy come back.
Yeah, that's true. It always happen that way, and we do it this way because if you don't arrange the race properly, then elite will turn back and catch the juniors or the females.
Yeah,
you
it's
know.
well planned. It seems like it's well planned.
It's well planned. All right, and then the registration, we can't forget that. The registration, we start registering as early as 7:30. You can register 7:30. You don't want that when they rush, you can register. You can register
Get that out of the
7:30.
way one time.
Yes, in the morning at the race. Right now, Nadia said, where they do the registration.
How much is registration?
Only $15, and I want to tell you, public,
no, nice.
I tell Nadia that it will leave it. It will leave it, but there's love for Dangriga, there's love for cycling, so it's $15. Only 15. I want to say only 15. All right?
I was sip on me. You take up, make a sip on it then. Make a sip on it one time.
Yeah. And then one other thing before you ask whatever question you might want to ask, Chief, is we'll be having a slow ride through town so that Briga Legion could see our cyclists riding through Dangriga. So we'll be doing a slow ride. We start that slow ride quarter after 8 o'clock. It takes like approximately 20 minutes to half an hour. It's just a slow ride, just to showcase what 60, 70 cyclists they just cruise through Griga and everybody
Yeah,
in
because
Jersey.
it makes a lot of sense, because sometimes when these races are so fast and give the people opportunity to see all these different bikes.
Exactly,
different
exactly.
races, these different jerseys, these different shoes. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah,
these different
yeah.
clips. It's a treat again for the people.
Yeah, yeah, and that you know what this race going on.
Correct.
So, my thing is to encourage and then entertainment, but that entertainment part that don't get touched already, right? But after the race, not go home because we are got entertainment there too,
You're not supposed to go home.
No man, this is
You
our
can't go
whole
home.
day, whole night event.
Can't go home. Make sure these guys are hydrated, because we don't want nobody cramp up for the highway too.
Yeah.
Right? Make sure to get to hydration. Make sure to get to the Gatorade. Make sure to get to snacks together. Because it's gonna be a gruesome. It's gonna be hot too.
Oh, you check the weather forecast already?
It's going to be hot.
And how they win, because the wind will determine
a big factor.
Yeah, the wind could be a factor. I could say safely, the route that this race is going, we should be back anytime between 12:30 and 1 o'clock, because we are hoping, we really want to start on time. So we start 9 o'clock to Placentia Junction and back by 12:31, because these cyclists, they ride fast.
You don't know already for today and for last week that the race registration we register early. Race will start at a certain time. You start the race, they want to show up, they don't show up.
Yeah,
Start the race, you have to start the race.
definitely. We try be on time, and even the cyclists, they always want to be on time, because remember, when they out there, sun hot, then they wait for this race to start, they don't warm up, their legs go lock up again, so and their legs go lock up, so they always want that to start on time, and I know that we will start on time. And I want to advise people to come out, consider the race from the beginning to the end. You no need to go home. Food while they out there, drinks while they out there, musical entertainment, dance group, whatever you want, while they right out there.
It's going to be a family affair. It's going to be a family affair. Things will have activities out there. You have food, you have drinks. Why not?
Yep.
Well, back to the young men over there. They're getting bored about this cycling thing now. I want to ask the Catman a question about, Catman. And what are you doing? What are you doing to prepare for this race?
Well, my role is to play as a domestic, closing some breaks, and be the strongest person to follow all.
So, closing for some breaks. When a pack to look for take with you, right there work for your team.
Yes.
All right. It makes sense.
Make sure nobody get wet.
Yes.
Why?
Yeah.
That's a big role.
That a real roll our cap.
That's a cap role.
Yeah.
And he got the right man for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a Tom cap.
I see the man ride, and the man
cap.
looks strong. The man could take on a role there.
All right.
He looks strong.
And you enjoy doing that, cap? I mean, because you see, like, when I watch race, like, everybody wants to win. We don't think about a team, But do you enjoy being a part of the team and doing that role?
Yes. Sometimes I think about it, but I say I also do my part to help all my friends there.
All right.
Teamwork.
All right. Now, Mr. Williams, now what's your role now? What's your role? Because then Cap seems to be one who are closing. What you are closing to?
Well, when it comes to when you have a certain rider, your part no differ from the domestic role. When it comes to you being the other member who is not the leader, your part doesn't distinguish far away from that domestic role. So my part is the domestic. I will close in some gaps, close in some break as well. Make sure no city rider like say get away. Yeah.
Yeah, good. That make a whole lot of sense. But when you're in a position, have you ever it come to your mind and say, you know what? you lose your discipline and say, I going now. Has it never come to your mind? Never cross your mind?
Well, it all depends on the race, you know, because, you know, there will have, you know, that and I want to say come out of the discipline, but decision will have to get made. Whereas that, you know, someone have to go down the road, and if that person no get catch, and, you know, you have become the winner then, you know, and no hard feelings to the other members as well, because then they know that how the race go. You know, the person who is appointed to win not always a win, you know, but as a team we try to make sure that that person win, you know.
I guess you understand your role, and that is very important, maintain that discipline. At the same time, if you get that chance to break away and carry it, and you feel like it, then you expect your teammate to support you and say, yeah, I'm gonna do it because because I know I could have pulled through. Yes, all right, Trenton.
Yes.
You don't know Alexis the watch right now. She want to clong because she heard quick for clong what. Make sure you know, make everybody know what your role for this team, man.
Well, basically my role our domestic, like what everybody say. You know, I can't really do much, but try help out my teammates and my captain to reach up the top and try to make a good job. You know, chase as much, put in my hard work and put in my all, you know. And that I have to say. My role I feel is.
Alright. Well, Moz, I mean, I think we come to the end of this.
This
show tonight.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been. I want you to close off with this. Promoting this race again, make it. Let's remind the people the day, the time, what time race, and where they expect. What is the route of this race?
Yeah, Sunday the 11th. It starts the Harlem, not Agriga close around by cemetery area. Yeah, that's by Nadation. We going out to the highway, George Price Highway, and then we make a left turn into the Southern Highway. And you know what? The whole country, most of the country paved, but that Southern Highway have a real nice pavement for the cyclists.
Yes, sir.
It's an advantage because they just roll.
Yes, sir.
But I had a question about the road coming back though, because I know that they got two tongue and be black off.
Yes.
By Emery.
Yep.
Right by the Land's office and the office here. So how are you guys going around that or going back on the back road?
No, coming in back. We'll be doing the George Price Highway, left turn, Ecumenical Drive, Stanley Drive, that's over the back bridge, and then you make a right turn by Righteous Regal Monument into Church Street, and then a left turn into Commerce Street.
Wow,
that's
a quick left right there, quick left into Commerce Street, and then sprint to the Nadir Shed. Wow.
Yeah. The thing is that we will have to have a lot of traffic control, and that's the reason why we have contacted the Dangria Town Council, we contacted the police department and the transport for that reason, because we realize we need a lot of guidance and support when it comes to the traffic. But all of these things that will make it excited, you know. I mean, there have been a lot of work that have been put into this race, you know. The race start planned like a whole year. So I know, and I spoke to Nadia even like half an hour ago. So everything basically set.
Well, you guys can't wait. Stay hydrated until then. Still have time to train. Put in some more pounds. Sunday until what? 3 days away?
Sunday, broke that down 2 hours, man.
24 times 3.
2 hours.
There you have it.
Yep, that's it. And
you ready, Jason?
Race start.
Jason say you ready?
Alright.
So Williams, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Trenton,
Definitely ready.
Come on, Cat. You ready, Cat?
And we want to encourage everybody to get out there and be a part of this. But again, DYFA, they bring it live, you know, in a living room.
The glasses just broke.
Glasses
broke live. The glasses broke, but you know how I do it. When one broke, you get another one. Just like that. Boy,
yeah.
I must sit down for these glasses. It threw me right up, but come on out, ladies and gentlemen. Most close it up. Close it up, Most.
Yeah. Come out. This will be our family event, and be a part of this, man. This is a history, and You know you want to be a part of the race's history because 2 years from now, this won't be a race again. This will be what classic because we have done reach 5 years. As after 5 years, a classic.
Yeah.
So be a part of it while it's a race because after this, it will be a classic. So be a part. I know this will be a historic one because we've been doing this for 3 years. This is the 3rd year. But with all of these entertainment, with all of these big prizes and all of that and all of these cyclists and whatever, like I tell Nadia, I want and I expect that this could be bigger than the TV Ramos Cycling Classic. So come on out, have fun, and enjoy Nadia Mother's Day cycling race.
It's a race. Hopefully it's going to be a classic one day, ladies and gentlemen. Come and support the thing. It's slow ride through the town. It's a beautiful scenery. And the Griga Cycling Club, we support you. Kudos to you guys for being out there on the road on a daily basis. We wish you good luck. Bring home something. Please bring home something. And even if you don't bring home nothing, it's okay. Try again. You know, got to keep this up because cycling is a very, very tedious sport. It's very expensive sport. I could tell you.
It is.
I used to ride and the shoes expensive, the bike expensive, servicing and maintenance, the bike expensive. You know what I mean? So I know because I used to ride in Jersey, and then even when the weather, you have to get like I used to ride indoors when the weather. The guys don't have the opportunity there, right? I used to ride indoors when it's too hot outside. Take so and then remember me leading how from a vehicle was?
Yeah.
You know, so I used to be hard night, but you know I just retired from cycling. You know, but
Mr. Ed, that's why I have to big up, you know, the two Alfred Galindos, you know, champion, Mr. Bojo, for always there behind me, always make sure we got the maintenance, you know, always make sure we got the service, you know, and their sponsors as well, Miss Anis, our secretary always make sure everything's set, registration, things like that, you know, all those things are handled. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know how it feels. I know what it's like, and we gotta big them up again, Bojo, you know, Galindo, Champe, you know, all these guys that's behind the scenes, man. They love it. They love the sport. Yes, when you love something, especially, man, I could tell you do anything, just like football was. Cycling, we love it. Sometimes we say, you know what, man, we're tired of this, but something we love and do anything for it. And you guys should appreciate that too, you know. And then hopefully we could pass it on. All right? And one day, we'll see you guys in the cross country and win the cross country because I'm tired of seeing American win this thing here. But it takes a lot of sacrifice, a lot of preparation for you guys to win the prize. You could win it, but it takes a lot of sacrifice, man. And investment too. They kind of full time.
Yes,
I have to be racing week in, week out. I gotta race. You know, get prepared. If you know that, I never win. But ayo, ladies and gentlemen, thanks again for these guys, these young men, for doing a wonderful job supporting them and supporting their families. Because it's hard, even though they don't have to school tomorrow. Cat loves school, so he going to school. Yeah, oh yeah.
My school on the road tomorrow.
Look how Cat hurry ball, man. And look how he ball those numbers.
Yeah.
I say going to school because he loves school.
Yeah.
Alright, so again.
Well, let's go home.
You like school? Ayo, we out. Thank you very much. See you next time.